Today we're going to read about observing and classifying matter. They look like they're having fun on the beach, don't they? Matter. Matter is what all things are made of. All matter takes up space. All matter has mass. These are properties of matter. Size is also a property of matter. Color and shape are other properties. Solids. A solid is a form of matter. Some solids are hard, some solids are soft. Solids are different sizes and colors. Solids have different textures. All solids have a shape of their own. You can do things to change the shape. You can bend a solid or break it or cut it, but the shape does not change on its own. Measuring solids. You can measure the mass of a solid. A balance helps you measure mass. You can measure the size of a solid. A ruler helps you measure the size. A ruler may measure in centimeters, or it may measure in inches. Liquids. A liquid is a form of matter. Liquids do not have their own shape. They take the shape of their container. You can measure the volume of a liquid. A measuring cup measures volume. It may measure volume in millimeters, or it may measure volume in ounces. Air and other gases. A gas is a form of matter. A gas has no shape of its own. A gas fills its entire container. Air is made up of gases. You do not see or smell air, but you can see what it does. Vocabulary. Centimeter, gas, liquid, mass, matter, milliliter, property, solid, texture, and volume. I want you to think about your reading. On a piece of paper, I want you to write down what questions do you have after reading this book. And then I want you to think, how can you find the answers to these questions? Thanks for listening, and I can't wait to hear everything you learned from this book.